Hello class 30 students. Today we will do the exercise of chapter number 3. Start with the first one. A. Identify the proper nouns and the common nouns in each of these sentences. Write P for the proper nouns and C for the common nouns. So students, in this exercise we will identify the common nouns and the proper nouns. If the word is a common noun, then we will underline it and write C. And if the word is a proper noun, then we will write P and underline that word. Question 1. My sister and I went to Donald's Taco Place for lunch. So here in the sentence, sister is the general name given to the person. So it's a common noun. Underline and write C. Donald's Taco Place. It's a specific name given to the place. So it's a proper noun. Write P and underline it. Lunch. Given to the particular journal name. It's a journal name for the thing. So it's a common noun. Write C and underline it. Number 2. Ravi bought a watch for Sujata. So Ravi is a specific name given to the person. It's a proper noun. Underline it and write P. Watch is a general name for the object. Underline it and write C as it's a common noun. Sujata, it's a specific name given to the person. So it's a proper noun. Underline it and write P. Question number 3. My father took us to Simla. So father is a general name given to the person. It's a common noun. Underline it and write C. Shimla is a specific name given to the place. So it's a proper noun. Underline it and write P. Question number 4. Mrs. Menon is a very good teacher. So Menon is the specific name given to the person. It's a proper noun. Underline it and write P. Teacher is again a general name given to the person. It's a general name, so it's a common noun. Underline it and write C. Question number 5. We went to Appu Water Park and played games there. Appu Water Park is the specific name given to the place, so it's a proper noun. Underline it and write P. Games, it's a general name given to the activity, so it's a common noun. Write C. Number 6. We went to the Paradise Mall to see a film. So Paradise Mall, it's a specific name given to the place, so it's a proper noun. Underline it and write P. Film, it's a general name, so it's a common noun. Underline it and write C. Number 7. My friend lives on Park Street. Friend, it's a general name to the given to the person, so it's a common noun. Underline it and write C. Park, it's a specific noun, it's a proper noun. Write P and underline it. Number 8. Mona and Taruna went to see a play at the Broadway Theatre. So Mona and Taruna are the names given to the persons. So these are proper nouns. Underline it and write P. Play, again it's a common noun, so underline it and write C because it's a general name given to the activity. Broadway Theatre, it's a specific name given to the particular place, so it's a proper noun. Write P and underline it. Number 9. Rajni bakes the best cookies in town. So Rajni is the name given to the girl, so it's a proper noun. Underline it and write P. Cookies, it's a common name, a general name given to the thing, so it's a common noun. Underline it and write C. Town, it's again a general name of a place, so it's a common noun. Underline it and write C. So now we will do the exercise B. Rewrite these sentences using capital letters wherever needed. So some sentences are given here. You have to make the letters capital wherever there is need. So we will do this exercise in the notebook. You will do this exercise in your notebook also. Start with the first one. The capital of India is New Delhi. As the sentence always begins with a capital letter, so we will make the beginning of the sentence in capital in all the sentences. The first letter we will make in capital letter. The capital of India. India is the name of the particular country, so it's a proper noun. The letter should be written in capital form. New Delhi again is a specific name given to the city, so we will write in capital form. I have done this exercise in notebook also, so you will do in this way. 1. The T is capital of India is, again I is capital in India is New Delhi, N is capital in New, and in Delhi D is capital. Number 2. Read the question. The Kapoor family went to Jammu for the holidays. So in this, in the T is capital, as the beginning of the sentence always begins with a capital letter. So T is capital. Kapoor. Kapoor is the name of the family. So it's a proper noun. We will write in capital form. Went to Jammu. Jammu is the specific name given to the place. So it's a proper noun. We will write in capital letter. So J is capital. Jammu for the holidays. Full stop. Number 3. The boys met me at Atlantic Cafe in July. So number 3. T is capital in the boys met me at Atlantic Cafe. This is the name of the particular cafe. So it's a proper noun. We will write in capital letter. We will start with capital letter. A is capital and Atlantic Cafe. In July. July is the proper noun because it's a specific name of the month. So we will write J in capital form, July. Number 4. The famous English crime novelist Agatha Christie wrote many books. So number 4, again start with capital letter. A famous English crime novelist. So this is the name of that novelist. So we will write the name in capital form. We'll start with capital letter. C is again capital. It's a proper noun. Wrote many books. Full stop. Number 5. I enjoy going to Mrs. Brown's bakery classes on Sunday. Number 5. I. Start with capital letter. Enjoy going to Mrs. Brown's. So Mrs. Brown's is the name of a person. So we will write in capital. We will write with capital letter. Bakeries classes on Sunday. We will write as in capital form. Why? Because it's a specific name of the day. It's a proper noun. Number 6. The Ganga passes through the states of Uttarakhand, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Jharkhand and West Bengal. Full stop. So in this sentence, the start with capital letter. Ganga is the name of the river. It's a proper noun. We will write with capital letter. Passes through the states of. So these are the names of the states. So we will all these are proper nouns. We will write with capital letter. Uttarakhand, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Jharkhand and West Bengal. Number 7. Lisa has a pet dog called Roof. Now, Lisa is the name of the person. So we will write with capital letter. Has a pet dog called Roof. Roof again is the particular name given to the animal. So it's a proper noun. Write with capital letter. Number 8. Diwali, Christmas, Holi and Eid are my favorite holidays. Diwali